Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Ollie, if you like Ollie, so yeah, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We had him before many times. You can check out my other Ollie songs here. This time we have It's Always Been You. So very playable, friendly, guitar-friendly song here. The four famous chords C, D, G, and E minor. And we do that with the capo set on the 2nd fret. So with that, we're gonna go over the chords and we're gonna keep the bottom there through the entire song. That means we're gonna keep 2 fingers on the 3rd fret B string and 3rd fret E string. All right. So with that, we're just gonna change the bass string. So we're gonna start here with the C chord. That will be the C add version of it. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, and then the bottom is 3rd B, 3rd E. The next is the D. So like I said, you keep that 3rd B, 3rd E there, and you just do this. So that is open D, 2nd G, and 3rd B, 3rd E. The next chord is the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, and guess what? 3rd B, 3rd E. And the final chord is E minor. So you just go from this G, you keep that index on the 2nd A, and you just go down with the middle finger below there on the 2nd D string. All right, so a very easy transition there. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. All right, so that will be the chord progression through the entire song. C, D, G, and E minor. All right, so we have this string pattern. Let's go back to the first chord, the C, and learn that. It will be down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, sounds a lot, but it's very easy actually. So you will do down, up, down 2 times. So it's down, up, down, down, up, down. And then just down, down, up. That's it. So down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. You're gonna play one of those patterns here per chord. You do that from the beginning till the very end. So C, D, G, E minor, 1 string around per chord sounds. Alright guys, so that covers It's Always Been You. Hope you enjoyed it, and like I said, feel free to support me here on Garden Guitar. I appreciate that very highly, and that makes my day. So thank you for your support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.